Welcome to Architectural Harvest channel, where innovation meets inspiration. Today, we venture beyond the walls to a hidden gem, your tiny backyard. Forget concrete jungles. We're about to unlock the secrets to creating an oasis of verdant tranquility right in the heart of the city. Feeling cramped? Don't sweat it. Even the smallest backyard can be transformed into a haven of lush greenery and endless possibilities. Calling all urban green thumbs and aspiring ones, this is your chance to embark on a journey of discovery. Seasoned gardener seeking fresh ideas? Newbie yearning to cultivate your green thumb? We've got you covered. Together, we'll unleash the hidden potential of every nook and cranny. We'll turn overlooked corners into vibrant retreats, all with a dash of creativity and some strategic planning. Ready to unlock the secrets of small backyard gardening? Master the art of space Tetris. Limited space? No problem. Think smart, not big. We'll show you how to sketch a functional layout that maximizes every square inch, incorporating seating areas, pathways, greenery, and even stunning focal points like water features. Multi-purpose furniture is your new best friend. Think benches with hidden storage or tables that fold away. Vertical gardens, your green wall. Solution walls and fences are prime real estate in a small backyard. We'll show you how to transform them into lush vertical gardens, bursting with herbs, flowers, or even vegetables. Hanging baskets, wall planters, and tiered shelves become your green allies, adding beauty without sacrificing precious ground space. Vertical gardens, your green wall. Solution walls and fences are prime real estate in a small backyard. We'll show you how to transform them into lush vertical gardens, bursting with herbs, flowers, or even vegetables. Hanging baskets, wall planters, and tiered shelves become your green allies, adding beauty without sacrificing precious ground space. Plant. Perfect for your mini paradise. Choosing the right plant lineup is key. We'll guide you to select plants that thrive in smaller spaces like dwarf or compact varieties. Think about adding visual interest with a blend of textures and colors. Low-maintenance options like succulents, herbs, and native species are ideal for busy urbanites who don't have all day to tend their gardens. Functionality meets beauty. Every element in your tiny oasis should serve a purpose. We'll show you how to integrate built-in seating with hidden storage, compact BBQ grills, or even mini water features that double as bird baths or fish habitats. Think smart, functional, and stylish. Create your secret urban hideaway. Privacy can be a struggle in a bustling city. We'll show you how to create a secluded haven by adding tall plants, using trellises with climbing vines, or incorporating bamboo screens. Pergolas, umbrellas, or sail shades can provide shade and privacy without sacrificing natural light. Light up your night. Transform your backyard into a magical after-dark retreat. We'll explore how to use overhead lighting, string lights, lanterns, and even solar-powered fixtures to create a captivating ambience and extend your outdoor enjoyment into the evening hours. Keeping your green oasis thriving. Regular maintenance is the secret to a flourishing backyard. We'll show you how to develop a simple watering, pruning, and fertilizing schedule. High-quality soil, mulch, and irrigation systems can conserve water and promote healthy plant growth. Container gardens are also a great option for easy mobility and minimal upkeep. Living in the city doesn't mean giving up on your love for gardening. With these tips and tricks, you can transform your tiny backyard into a haven of relaxation, beauty, and your very own connection to nature. So, roll up your sleeves, unleash your imagination, and let's create your urban green oasis. See you next time on Architectural Harvest.